Need a list of rentals in California? Redfin has thousands. Here's how to pull every listing into a spreadsheet in about a minute. Open Thunderbit on the Rentals page. Current page is selected, click Next. Step 2. Click AI Auto Detect. Thunderbit finds the next button and confirms. 2 pages this time. Done, then Next. Step 3. Hit AI Suggest Fields. Watch this. Thunderbit reads the list, then automatically opens the first listing's detail page to find more fields. 12 columns. Price, beds, baths, square footage, address, plus pet policy, in-unit amenities, community amenities, even office hours, pulled from inside each listing. Hit Run. 82 listings across 2 pages. Save straight to a new Google Sheet. Every column, every row, ready to filter and analyze. Try Thunderbit free at thunderbit.com.